God, I love thy children whose delights see nothing save their own unlovely woe, whose minds know nothing, nothing care to know. But at the roar of thy democracies, thy reigns of terror, thy great anarchies, mirror my wildest passions like the sea, and give my rage a brother liberty. For this sake only do thy dissonant cries delight my discreet soul, thus might all kings by bloody note or treacherous cannonades rob nations of their rights inviolate. And I remain unmoved, and yet, these Christs that die upon the barricades, God knows it, I am with them in some things. For the sake only do thy dissonant cries delight my discreet soul, else might all kings by bloody note or treacherous cannonades rob nations of their rights inviolate. And I remain unmoved, and yet, these Christs that die upon the barricades, God knows it, I am with them in some things.